Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today I'm showing you this fun spinning card. Watch this. Isn't that cool? You just do a little prep right before you pack it in the envelope for it to spin. You're basically just spinning this. And then once you put in the envelope and then they open it up, that's how it makes it spin when they open it. Okay, and you can use anything. So I'm excited to start maybe using some of the new stamps to be able to do this. So let's get started. We're going to start with a card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. So I'll go ahead and fold that and bone folder. Get that ready. Then we're going to use some DSP, and again, the size of this is the usual, let's see, 4 by 5 1/4, and if you use a 12 by 12 you also get this little strip, so we'll save that for the inside as we did before. You're just going to lay it on here, and I have some temporary, or what is it called, not permanent, repositionable adhesive that you can use just to keep it where you want to. And then I'm going to come over to the Big Shot and cut a circle out of it. So give me a second to do that. Alright, so you get a little bonus circle of both the DSP and the cardstock. For maybe a bonus card you can use a little later. This is just a little washi tape that I keep on my dies so they don't move when I put them in the Big Shot. I'll put that back. So now you have these two pieces. So we're going to take some of the linen thread, cut it almost the length of the card, just a little bit shorter. And then we're going to use some just regular Scotch tape to tape it down. You could probably use something else, but I just, I like to use a Scotch tape because it'll secure it in here. So a little there. Pull it taut right here. Nice and tight in the center. I think I did it just a little bit too long. That's okay. I'm just going to trim it, give it a trim. Then we're going to go ahead and adhere that here. So I'm going to use my glue and just put some glue, whoops, along the edges. Hold it down. Just a neat way to hide the linen thread. And get that straight. Let me double check. Yep, okay there. And then what I did is I used the Butterfly Brilliance and the Brilliant Wings dies. The Butterfly Brilliance cuts out the solid part of it, and then these dies actually do the shape of it. What I mean by it makes these, so I thought these would be cute to be spinning. I can't get it up on here. Okay, here it is. So here's the solid and here's the shapes I was telling you about. So you need 2 of them because you're going to sandwich them on between, let's see, sandwich them between on the linen thread. So like that. And I'll do the same for the second one. You don't have to be precise, giving it a little dimension if you don't do it the whole butterfly. Whoops, here you go. There you go. So this one I'm going to slip behind here, but I'm going to put some glue here first to hold it down. Make sure it's centered, and then make a sandwich. I'm going to let that dry for a second. While that's drying, I'm going to get a piece of white, again, same size, 4 by 5 1/4 again. Do I have one? Yeah, white inside, 4 and 5 1/4. And we'll go ahead and adhere this into the middle while the butterflies are drying. It's a nice way to put it in there. And again, you could do this strip here. Again, you can match or you can coordinate. I'm going to match this time because I really like the butterflies. And then let's see what else. Oh, we still need a sentiment. So I always need thank you cards. So from, oops, sorry, I didn't mean to shake the camera. From the Flowers of Friendship, I chose the little card, Big Thanks. I'll use some soft succulent. I'm just going to hide it up here so they won't see it when they open, when the card is closed. And that is it. So I'm going to do my special twist again. Twist that up. Here we go. And so you put it in your envelope, and when they open up the envelope and they slide the card out of the envelope, this is what's going to happen. Ta-da! Little spinning butterfly. So thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials just like this. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.